Crash Course, Ecuador, La Mitad del Mundo. Welcome to La Mitad del Mundo, a place that holds a special significance in the heart of Ecuador. Located just outside of Quito, La Mitad del Mundo is known as the middle of the world, and marks the equatorial line that divides the Earth into the Northern and Southern Hemispheres. In this crash course, we will explore intriguing stories and examples that will captivate your imagination and curiosity. We will then delve into the top 12 attractions of La Mitad del Mundo, showcasing the unique experiences and cultural heritage of this iconic landmark. Story 1. The Quest for the Equator. The determination to discover the exact location of the equator line was a fascinating scientific endeavor. In the 18th century, French geodesic mission led by Charles-Marie de La Condamine set out to measure the Earth and determine the true equatorial line. Their calculations and findings paved the way for the establishment of La Mitad del Mundo. Story 2. The Energetic Phenomena. La Mitad del Mundo is not only a geographical landmark but also a site of intriguing energetic phenomena. Visitors can experience unusual occurrences at the equator line, such as the famous water experiment. In this experiment, water drains in different directions in the northern and southern hemispheres, showcasing the influence of the Earth's rotation. Top 12 attractions of La Mitad del Mundo. 1. Monument to the Equator. Stand at the center of the world and admire the iconic monument that marks the equatorial line. 2. Intiñón Museum. Explore the Intiñón Museum, which showcases the cultural diversity and traditions of Ecuador. 3. Equatorial Museum. Discover the history and scientific significance of the equator through engaging exhibits and interactive displays. 4. Ethnographic Museum. Immerse yourself in the indigenous cultures of Ecuador through artifacts, traditional clothing, and artwork. 5. Solar Museum. Learn about the astronomical importance of the equator and its impact on solar phenomena. 6. Planetarium. Embark on a celestial journey and explore the wonders of the universe through immersive planetarium shows. 7. Interactive Experiments. Participate in gravity-defying experiments and experience the unique properties of the equator. 8. Indigenous Performances. Witness vibrant cultural performances that showcase the music, dance, and rituals of Ecuador's indigenous communities. 9. Craft Markets. Browse through colorful craft markets and shop for traditional handmade souvenirs and artisanal goods. 10. Gastronomy. Indulge in delicious Ecuadorian cuisine, including traditional dishes and local delicacies. 11. Botanical Gardens. Stroll through lush gardens and admire the diverse flora and fauna of Ecuador's equatorial region. 12. Equatorial Line Park. Enjoy outdoor activities such as hiking, picnicking, and scenic walks in the picturesque surroundings of La Mitad del Mundo. Summarizing La Mitad del Mundo. La Mitad del Mundo is a place of wonder and discovery, where science, culture, and natural beauty intersect. It offers a unique opportunity to stand at the center of the world and experience the fascinating phenomena associated with the equatorial line. From educational museums and interactive experiments to cultural performances and gastronomic delights, La Mitad del Mundo provides a memorable experience that highlights Ecuador's rich heritage and geographical significance. Poem. At La Mitad del Mundo, where worlds collide. The equatorial line, a place of pride. Stand at the center, the heart of the Earth. Where northern and southern hemispheres birth. The quest for knowledge, the search for truth, led pioneers to this land uncouth. From La Condamine's measurements precise. The equator revealed, a scientific prize. Intiñón Museum, a cultural treasure. Showcasing traditions beyond measure. Indigenous wisdom, art, and attire. Igniting the soul with cultural fire. The monuments rise, marking the divide. A testament to human curiosity and pride. Explore the museums, the tales they tell. Of celestial wonders and histories well. Participate in experiments strange and surreal. Where water dances and forces reveal. Indigenous performances, vibrant and grand. Echoing the heritage of Ecuador's land. Craft markets beckon with colors so bright. Adornments and trinkets, a feast for the sight. Gastronomic delights, flavors untold. Ecuador's cuisine, a treasure to behold. In botanical gardens, nature unfolds. A symphony of life, stories yet untold. And as you wander through this enchanted place, feel the energy, the equatorial embrace. Song. Verse 1. At la mitad del mundo, where dreams align, the equator calls, a mystical sign. Stand on the line, where two worlds meet. In Ecuador's heart, a moment so sweet. Chorus. La mitad del mundo, where magic unfurls. A place of wonder, where destiny twirls. From the monuments high to the markets so grand. La mitad del mundo, a marvel to understand. Verse 2. Step into museums, where knowledge awaits. Discover the stories, open the gates. Intignan's wisdom, traditions unfold. The equator's secrets, a story to be told. Chorus. La mitad del mundo, where magic unfurls. A place of wonder, where destiny twirls. From the monuments high to the markets so grand. La mitad del mundo, a marvel to understand. Bridge. Experiments amaze, water's peculiar dance. Gravity's game, defying all chance. Indigenous rhythms, dances so bold. Ecuador's heritage, a tale to be told. Chorus. La mitad del mundo, where magic unfurls. A place of wonder, where destiny twirls. From the monuments high to the markets so grand. La mitad del mundo, a marvel to understand. Ending note. ******. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html $aid = 79893335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.